Lima beans are what comes after bataw in the infamous Filipino nursery rhyme, Bahay Kubo, which is locally known as patani.
Bitaw, bataw, patani.
Patani or lima beans are known to be a good source of dietary fiber, high-quality protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. It is rich in both soluble and non-soluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar, while the non-soluble fiber helps aid in the digestion and bowel movement. The most abundant minerals found in lima beans are potassium, followed by calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, and iron. It is also a good source of vitamin B6, which is essential for the brain health and strengthens the immune system. Another good thing about lima beans is that it is abundantly found in many Filipino households. Many studies show that consumption of junk food are linked to obesity and other health problems, putting the youth at risk as they are the main consumers of these types of products. There is potential for vacuum-fried lima beans to be a healthier substitute to these unhealthy snacks. In fact, vacuum frying uses less oil than the regular frying, thus the snack would contain less fat. This process also allows the product to retain most of its nutritive content. The study aims to analyze the capabilities of vacuum-fried lima beans as a healthier alternative snack than what is commercially sold in the market. This innovation aims to lower the health problems related to junk foods by offering a healthier alternative and promote healthy food choices. For the methodology, first, we select our beans, remove from their pods, and measure its weight. Then, the lima beans are sanitized by soaking them in a solution that is made up by 1 tablespoon of bleach mixed with 1 gallon of water for a few minutes. After that, the beans are then blanched. After blanching, the beans are stored and frozen for the next 24 hours. After 24 hours of freezing, the beans are put into the vacuum fryer. When the machine is done frying, the excess oil is removed by spinning the beans in the chamber for 40 minutes, 20 minutes clockwise and 20 minutes counterclockwise. The beans are then removed from the machine and cooled at room temperature. Once cooled, the beans can be packed and ready for consumption. The vacuum-fried patani were subjected to 9-point hedonic scale tests to compare their degree of acceptability. The panelists were composed of the students, faculty, and staff of GSC Mosqueda campus. For the data analysis, the results of the hedonic rating test were compared using t-test at 0.05 level of significance. For the results, there were 2 treatments in the study. Treatment A is vacuum frying of patani for 7 minutes at 95 degrees centigrade, and treatment B were the patani beans that are vacuum fried for 9 minutes at 95 degrees centigrade. The results of the consumer's acceptability test showed that patani vacuum fried for 7 minutes and 9 minutes were liked very much by the panelists. The results of the t-test showed no significant difference between the hedonic scores of the 2 treatments. For the conclusion, blanching of the beans for 3 minutes and frying at 95 degrees centigrade for 7 to 10 minutes resulted to a crunchy, flavorful snack and acceptable to consumers. Recommendations. It is recommended that flavorings may be added to the vacuum-fried patani to introduce a variety of ways to enjoy this innovative snack. The product must be subjected to necessary laboratory tests such as nutritional value analysis, shelf life testing, and others to ensure that this product is safe for consumption.